How to download FC24 on PC or laptop. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app. You can also open your Steam account in the web version. After you open it, you will enter this kind of page. Using Steam, you can easily download this app. At the top right, you will find the search box. Over there, type in the game name FC24. Once app appears, just click on it. With that, you will land to the game page. Now scrolling down, you will find the purchase amount for the game. If you are satisfied with the amount, go ahead and click on the option of Add to Cart. Now click on View My Cart. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now click on the option of Continue to Payment. You will land to the payment method page. Now from here, you have to provide your payment details, likewise billing information. Once you fill up all these, you can go ahead and click on Continue. And with that, you will be able to purchase this game. After you purchase the game, you can launch it and then play it. Well, this way you can easily download FC24 on PC or laptop. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.